Have you ever wondered what the future of wealth will look like? Picture this. You wake up in the morning, stretch, and check your phone. While you slept, an AI system analyzed market trends, closed profitable deals, responded to customer inquiries, and fine-tuned your marketing strategy. Your business didn't just run itself, grew itself automatically. For many people, this still feels like science fiction, but for those willing to adapt, it's quickly becoming reality. In the next 5 years, artificial intelligence won't just change how we work, it will redefine who thrives and who falls behind. I'm Jamal Khan. I'm an entrepreneur, deal maker, tax advisor, and a financial strategist. Over the years, I've helped countless business owners and professionals navigate and change and turn disruption into opportunity. This channel, Elite Mindset, is dedicated to sharing insights that transform not just how you think about money, but how you create it. And through my community platform, Elite Hub, I connect ambitious people who are ready to build, learn, and grow together. So let's dive into the mindset and strategies you'll need to harness AI as an ally and build a future where your income isn't limited by your time or location. Artificial intelligence is often framed as a threat, an unstoppable force that will eliminate jobs, disrupt industries, and make human labor obsolete. And while there's some truth to that, it's not the full picture, because hidden within this wave of disruption is an extraordinary opportunity. The chance to automate complexity, expand your reach, and scale your wealth in ways previous generations could only dream of. Let's start with a simple observation. AI isn't coming, it's already here. Algorithms write marketing copy, compose music, recommend products, detect fraud, and even create lifelike images and videos in seconds. Businesses that embrace this reality are growing faster and operating leaner. I've worked with clients who've replaced entire departments of manual data entry with AI-powered tools, cutting costs while improving accuracy. Others have built digital products, courses, templates, subscriptions that are marketed and delivered almost entirely through intelligent systems. If you think this is reserved for giant corporations with billion-dollar budgets, you are mistaken. Many of these tools are available to solo entrepreneurs and small teams at a fraction of what it used to cost to hire human talent. In other words, the barrier to entry has never been lower. The only real obstacle is mindset. Most people's first reaction to AI is fear. They worry about being replaced, becoming irrelevant, or losing control. I understand that anxiety. It's human nature to feel uncertain when old systems collapse. But if you look closely, you'll see that AI doesn't just replace, it empowers. Consider this. An entrepreneur using AI to automate repetitive tasks frees up time to focus on strategy, relationship building, and innovation. A freelancer who embraces AI content tools can serve more clients without burning out. A small business that deploys AI chatbots can deliver 24/7 support and win customer loyalty. It's not about competing with machines, it's about partnering with them. And that requires fundamental mind shift, from seeing yourself as a worker to seeing yourself as an orchestrator. So how exactly do you build wealth with AI? I believe it comes down to 3 pillars: automation, freeing yourself from routine tasks; amplification, expanding your capacity and reach; adaptation, staying agile as technology evolves. Let's unpack each of these in more detail. Pillar 1, automation. Automation is the most immediate, practical way to leverage AI. Think about all the tasks that consume hours of your day: responding to emails, updating spreadsheets, scheduling appointments, generating reports. Now imagine delegating those tasks to a system that never gets tired, never takes vacations, and performs with near perfect consistency every time. Tools like Zapier, Notion AI, and custom GPT workflows can handle processes end-to-end. In my own business, we use AI-powered accounting systems and report-generating systems that reconcile transactions automatically, saving hundreds of hours a year. When you start automating the basics, you reclaim mental bandwidth to focus on growth. The second pillar is amplification, using AI to scale your capabilities beyond what any individual could accomplish. Consider marketing. An AI tool can analyze thousands of data points about your audience, what they click, what they buy, what they ignore, and optimize your campaigns in real time. Instead of spending weeks A/B testing headlines and images manually, AI can test dozens of variations simultaneously and tell you exactly what works. The result? More effective campaigns, less guesswork, and more revenue. The same applies to content creation. You can use AI to draft articles, generate video scripts, design, graphics, and even translate your messages into multiple languages. This means you can reach new audiences and deliver value at a scale that was once impossible. The third pillar is adaptation. AI is evolving faster than any technology we have seen before. That means your strategy must stay flexible. What worked 6 months ago may become obsolete next year. Adaptation is about staying curious, testing new tools, and continuously refining your systems. It's about building resilience, so no matter how technology shifts, you're ready to pivot and capitalize possibilities. You're ready to pivot and capitalize on new possibilities. To make this concrete, let me share a few stories. I know a consultant who built an AI-powered membership site that delivers personalized learning paths to each user. He started as a solo operator. Thanks to AI, he now serves thousands of members around the world without hiring a massive support team. Another example, an e-commerce entrepreneur who uses AI to predict demand, manage inventory, and generate product descriptions. This has allowed her to grow her business from a small online shop to a 7-figure brand in less than 3 years. I have seen coaches and course creators leverage AI to create highly customized content and scale their impact, all while reducing workload. These are not people with huge venture capital funding. They are individuals who choose to embrace change rather than resist it. If you're wondering where to begin, here's what I recommend. First, audit your business or professional life. Make a list of every repetitive or manual task you perform regularly. Ask yourself, is there an AI-powered tool that could handle this? Second, pick one area, just one, and experiment with automation. You don't need to overhaul everything overnight. Start small, get comfortable, and build from there. Third, dedicate time each week to learning. Stay informed about new developments in AI relevant to your field. The more you understand the landscape, the easier it is to spot opportunities. And finally, surround yourself with people who are also committed to growth. In my experience, mindset is contagious. When you are part of a community that sees technology as an ally, it becomes much easier to stay motivated and take action. Looking ahead, integration of AI into daily business will only accelerate. We're moving toward a world where personalized marketing becomes hyper-targeted and automated. AI advisors help you optimize every aspect of your finances. Intelligent agents negotiate deals, source leads, and handle logistics. Virtual assistants anticipate your needs and handle complex projects. This future may feel overwhelming, but it's also incredibly overpowering. But it's also incredibly empowering, because the same tools that can disrupt industries can also democratize access to wealth. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or an executive, you have a chance to use AI to level the playing field. But that opportunity won't wait forever. The people who act early will have the advantage. Those who hesitate will find themselves trying to catch up later. I believe we are living in one of the most pivotal moments in economic history. Time when technology isn't just reshaping industries, it's reshaping what's possible for individuals. And the real question is, will you be a passive observer or an active participant? Will you watch others create wealth with AI, or will you claim your place among them? It's a choice only you can make. If you found value in this perspective, consider joining us here at Elite Mindsets, where we explore the strategies, tools, and principles that help you thrive in times of change. And if you're looking for a community that shares your drive to learn, grow, and build, you're always welcome in the Elite Hub app. Thank you for spending this time with me. Stay curious, stay resilient, and stay committed to creating the future you deserve. I'll see you in the next video.